Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to turn on or enable restricted mode on YouTube. So this an optional settings that you can use on YouTube. This feature can help screen out potentially mature content that you or others using your devices may prefer not to view. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube channel and open lang natin ating Chrome browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na sa iyong YouTube channel, so dito lang sa top right corner, and then makikita mo dito yung ating YouTube profile. So itap mo lang yan. And then next step, kung paano ba natin i-turn on or enable ang restricted mode. So scroll down and makikita mo kaagad dito yung restricted mode, mga kaibigan. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. And then restricted mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. So this settings only applies to this browser. So makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So itoggle on mo lang dito kung gusto mong i-activate yung restricted mode or enable mo siya o turn on. I-click mo lang dito yung kanyang button. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.